The stock market's so boring. Why don't you put your money into cryptocurrency? You can get 100-time returns. Is it really that easy though? So the most important thing to keep in mind is that cryptocurrency, the stock market, both of these encompass a lot of different things. Cryptocurrency has Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin mining, Dogecoin, and all these little coins and stuff like that, right? And then the stock market has dividend-paying stocks, ETFs, and all that, safe investments, mutual funds, riskier investments. So keep those two things in mind, and then once again, you have to decide, are you going to be an investor or a trader? Because yes, there's people that day trade stocks, there's people that day trade cryptocurrency. Both are risky, and I'm assuming you acknowledge and accept those risks when you get into such a space. And with the stocks, you can be more of a long-term investor. You can buy dividend-paying stocks, you can buy blue chip stocks, you can buy mutual funds, index funds, ETFs, and hold on. So where you can set it and forget it. So the beauty about the stock market is there's people that manage your funds for you, or you can do it yourself. But you can just invest money every paycheck, every 2 weeks, every week. You set it, you forget it, it's all automated. It's very simple. With cryptocurrency, it's a whole different world. So you're probably wondering, how do people make money from this whole cryptocurrency investing? It's the same like stocks, but it's like much faster, much more volatile, much more scarier. So you buy low, sell high. Well, with stocks, there's dividend payments and so forth, but with the crypto world, you're trying to buy as low as you can and sell as high as you can, which is where the issue is, because right now today's May 26th, and if you've tried to buy the dip in the last few weeks, you may have bought the crash, or you may have, it was like trying to catch a falling knife. Like it was going down, I thought I bought the dip, dipped again. I thought I bought the dip, dipped again. I had to bow out. I'm like, enough's enough. So just when I first started sharing these videos, it was mid-March, but I started researching this at the end of February. And at that moment, Bitcoin was $47,944.45. $47,944.45. That's according to CoinGecko. So that was the price. And now it went all the way up. It went all the way up to $64,829.14. And then it went to $39,294.24. Don't mind my writing, as you can tell, different person did these. So as you can tell, it's a big difference. So if you invested into Bitcoin in February, you would have lost money. I mean, if you didn't sell, you would have lost money from the all-time high. If you bought at the all-time high and you sold at $39,000, you could have almost lost half your money, right? So the whole goal is to buy low, sell high, but it's just so impossible to know when. Because on a Saturday night, there could be a pullback or a crash or a dip, and you wake up on Sunday like, what? My $1,000 is now worth $500. Like, what happened, right? So that's the trick. So it's very difficult to try to time when to buy low and to sell high. When it comes to Ethereum, on February 26th, it was $1,465.94. The all-time high was $4,382.73. So that went up a lot, right? You could have made some good money. Luckily, I bought it around $2,000. And right now, on May 26th, it's $2,779.38. So long story short, it's extremely volatile. In the last 3 months, these are the fluctuations, and this is the all-time high. Like, how do you make sense of any of this? So that's what I need you to keep in mind, is trying to buy low and sell high could be very risky, but it could be worth it. I don't want to discourage you. I don't want to encourage you. It's for you to decide. And that's what you need to know about cryptocurrency and the stock market.